Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about Amazon product launch checklist, honeymoon period, and pricing hacks. Let's get into it. Today we're discussing an essential aspect of launching your product on Amazon, the honeymoon period, and how to leverage effective pricing strategies during this critical time. Let's break down why this honeymoon phase is so vital. Essentially, it's the initial window right after your product goes live when it receives heightened visibility from Amazon's algorithm. During this period, you want your product to generate as many sales as possible. The more sales you get in those first few weeks, the more Amazon will prioritize your product in search results. So, if you're able to sell a significant number of units shortly after launching, you're setting the stage for long-term success. To maximize the potential of your honeymoon period, it's crucial to have a solid plan in place before launching. Start by establishing a launch date that allows you enough time to prepare. Make sure your UPC code is ready. If you're trademarked, that should already be handled, and check that your brand is registered. Once that's confirmed, proceed to create your product listing with careful attention to keyword optimization. This will help your product get noticed by the right audience. Don't overlook your advertising strategy. Setting up new PPC campaigns specifically for your target market is essential. While you can transfer some campaign elements across markets, remember that certain transfers may not work seamlessly between regions like the US and Europe. Starting fresh may often yield better results. Next up, let's focus on visuals. Optimizing your product images is vital, especially the main image. Having a compelling image that includes relevant keywords can significantly enhance your click-through rate. It's also essential to ensure your A+ content and brand story are published and accessible. These elements add depth to your product listing and can help sway potential buyers. After all these preparations, it's time to ship your product to Amazon. Ensure that everything is completed before your product goes live. I recommend launching on a Sunday. It's statistically the best day for product visibility. Mondays can work as well, but avoid launching on Fridays or Saturdays if possible, as these days generally see less traffic. Now let's dive into pricing strategies. You may be pondering whether to launch at a lower price or stick to your target price. The consensus is clear. Starting at around 50% off can be a game changer. For instance, if your target price is $25, consider launching at $12.50. Aim for those first 100 sales at that price and then gradually increase it, perhaps to $15 after achieving that initial goal. This method not only helps you attract buyers, but also builds up the necessary sales velocity. If your product struggles to sell at that initial price, it may indicate a misalignment with market expectations. Customers tend to hesitate when a product lacks reviews, especially at higher price points. So, a lower starting price can help you build traction and drive the organic sales that boost your product's visibility. Keep a close eye on how sales fluctuate with each price increase. If you notice a drop-off after raising the price, it might signal that the product needs more reviews or that there's some sensitivity around pricing. Understanding how your product performs at various price points is critical to refining your strategy for future launches. By the end of those first 8 weeks, the goal is to gradually reach your target price while maintaining a steady flow of sales. Remember, the aim is to build not just a launch, but a lasting impact on Amazon. Implement these strategies effectively, and you'll be well on your way to success. Best of luck with your launches, and I look forward to celebrating your achievements. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.